welcome back to Sarah's Heart's Home. It's already been a busy morning here in Tennessee. Oh, Mike and a bunch of the kids were moving the does and the bucks around for breeding season, so we'll have baby goats in the spring. And right now we're working in this nice new little garden planter area that Mike and Nate made for me, and we are getting the bulbs planted. And the dog is trying to help here.
Hello, this is Caleb.
There is Caleb. How's it going?
Good.
Good. You planting, or you're digging the holes, aren't you?
Mm-hmm.
Look at this dog. Becca, your shoes over there by the fence. Oh, he's something. He's been trying to help with everything. Becca's getting stuff planted here as well. So yeah, we got an order from Dutch Grown, and we got a bunch of mini daffodils and big, beautiful Barrett Browning daffodils and red and yellow tulips.
Down there.
No, cause no, I don't think so. Oh my, Snickers, you are a case. Well, there goes Mike and Nathan off on another adventure. Our neighbor's, her son's dog passed away, and she called Mike and asked if he would come and dig a hole for the dog to bury it. So they're going on over to the neighbor's house to dig a hole for the poor puppy.
Is it okay if a little hawk is going on?
You can cover it up.
Is it okay if that's there? Are these holes?
Yep.
And is it okay if that little hole there?
Yeah.
There. Becca, I'm supposed to cover them.
Hannah's getting the ducks and chickens watered.
Look inside.
Oh, are we done? Oh, I think we are. Make sure on that one, Becca. Getting the ducks and chickens watered here. Probably in the spring we'll be getting more chicks.
Maybe more ducks?
I don't know about more ducks, but more chicks anyway to replenish our flock here.
Go for more.
Way too many eaten by coons and such. So here is 4 of the does, and let's see if I can get this to focus. There we go. And then Mr. Buckley there is the real spotted buck. The one that's bawling is Blueberry, and she's had some babies since Christmas Eve of last year. And we do have them separated because Buckley is their father, and it's the first time they've been separated from their mom, so they're not too happy about that, but you know, it's been a year, so time to be separated. Anyway, yeah, we'll be having baby goats, you know, in about 5 months. For some reason I got their gestation period confused and thought that they were only pregnant for like 3 months or something. I don't know why I got so confused, but I didn't want to put them in with the bucks, and then we were just talking about it and realized that no, it's nearly 5 months, and so it's like 150 days. So yeah, they need to get in there so we can have, I guess, May babies. Oh my, here I was thinking that they'd be March babies. Oh my, I tell you, too much going on. Time to feed the sourdough starter. I actually could probably set it next to the wood stove now since the wood stove's going. I've been having it on a heat mat just because it's so cold, I guess, in my kitchen. It just doesn't do very well. So I'm gonna pour some out and then feed my starter. Alright, there it is. I put the rubber band where the level is right now, and then it'll grow. Technically the level should be down here a little bit, but you want it to kind of double in size, and if it does that, then you know that you have a really good active starter. Mike's come in for some lunch here, and he's having some leftovers of these. These are those cheddar bay biscuits, I guess you could say, or cheddar biscuits anyway, and then the broccoli cheese soup. Really yummy. You like it, dear?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah. Meanwhile, I think Snickers is finally worn out. Well, I don't know. This day is going awfully fast. It's early. It's 4. And I'm trying to make a quick early supper because we have things going on at church tonight. Kids have Pathfinders, which is kind of like our youth activities group and stuff. And I've got to practice with one of the pianists for the Christmas program that is happening this week. And yeah, we've just got a whole lot going on. So I am gonna just make up these grilled cheeses real quick and call it good. I'm sure they'll be hungry when we're done. But that's what's happening. The dog got all muddy, so Rebecca had to give it a bath. And yeah, we're just having all kinds of stuff go on around here.